Malvern Hills, let's go. It's about a 2-hour car journey and then it's about a roughly 3-hour hike. So I've just parked in like a side road. Park here, I guess. This is pretty much the start of the route. So I'm in Hollybush, so I've just turned off somewhere in Hollybush way and then I think I'm going up through this field. Cue the deep breathing. Actually been walking for like 5 minutes, already gained some elevation. Nice. So this route's taking me up to Midsummer Hill, is it? Midsummer Hill? If you look on the map, it's pretty much straight line. Castle over there. So we're at the first one. Let's get the drone out. How annoying is the sound of this bag? It's creaking. So I'm on the way to Swinyard Hill, then Hangman's Hill, and then Millenium Hill. Bear Hills, fam. Slight detour. James's car. Just spoke to the guy, he didn't really know where he was going. If you need some good apps for navigation, OS Maps is decent. Komoot is another good one. There's All Trails, I don't really like All Trails. You can find local routes on it and just follow that, or you can make your own on it. I just send mine to my Garmin and follow it on my Garmin, or you can do it off your phone. Unaware of these things, OS Maps, Komoot, decent apps for finding trails. It'll bring you out here. Quick tip when it's hot, don't just drink water, make sure you have plenty of electrolytes and salts. You know, when you get dehydrated, when you sweat out all your natural minerals, and drinking excessive amounts of water isn't going to replenish them natural minerals and salts. So yeah, Lucozades, electrolyte drinks, you know, gels, they normally contain essential salts and stuff that you need. You're not always going to get it in the water. Even like SIS, high 5 tabs, little dissolvable electrolyte tabs, are decent. Practice what you preach. Peaceful and quiet. So just on Hangman's Hill and on the way to Millenium Hill. So I'm going to cut across to Herefordshire Hill and then Millenium Hill if I can. Do a shortcut and pretty much just cut straight up like it looks like them people are doing. The climb begins. That's a great Malvern, like Summer Hill, I think it's called. So I guess I'll be doing that next time. Worth the day off for the 2-hour drive. Let's get the drone out again. Highly recommend the longest drone lead. If you've got DJI Mavic Mini 1, it's the lightest. If you've got into spot and bother, it's worth it. I'll see them until it was nearly too late. 2.5 hours later. If you've liked this little hike, give it a like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Comment down below if you're going to do this one or if you've already done it. Peace!